Hi, this is Nikki from Rize Bikes, and today I'm going to show you how to fold your Bolt X. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure this kickstand is in the upright position. You're going to want to make sure that the pedals are out of your way here, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get this black tab right here and turn it counterclockwise until it stops. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab this bigger black lever right here and pull it outwards. Before you fold it, you want to make sure that this black tab is disengaged, just like this. Once that is all done, you're going to crank your handlebars to the right, like this. Give the bike a little bump with your knee, and that should start the folding. Oh, there you go. And when you're on this side, you're going to gently place it on the ground. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this little gray part right here, shift it upwards, and use your thumb to push this lever outwards like this. Make sure your face is far away from this handlebar, or else you will get hit. The next thing you're going to do is you're just going to fold it in gently like this. And that is how you fold your Bolt X. Thank you for watching.